Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we're going to talk about should you be investing in wine? I'm starting up a little video series here. We're going to, address some of the questions that a few of you have written to me and a few of my friends have asked is there an opportunity to invest in wine? And how would you go about doing that? So this episode is just going to be an overview, right? I think you have to have a few key, non-negotiable criteria here that you must meet in order to really even consider this, right? So number one is whatever amount we're talking about. Three things, right? Whatever amount you're talking about, you need to be prepared to basically spend that money or invest that money and not need it for at least 5 years. Because even though wine is a liquid investment, it's not a liquid investment. And certainly not something you're going to be able to liquidate quickly. So that's number one. I think number two is you need to have a place where you can safely store your wine. Personally, I don't have a spot where I would be wanting to actually store investable wine, right? Expensive wine, investable wine that I'm looking to simply have sit and for a price appreciation for realization later. But I do have a friend who is interested in doing this, so we partnered up. So that's exciting. He's got a perfectly temperature controlled cellar, so we have a good system going, right? I find the buys, we split them, and we use his cellar for storage. Number three is that I think you need to be committed to not drinking the wine, and because otherwise, you're just gonna get high on your own supply, so to speak, and it's not gonna make your wine investing a success if you end up buying wine for investment and then go on and drinking it. So I think it's like an old trading adage, right? Is never let a trade turn into an investment. Right? So it's similar to that concept. So over this series, right, what I'll do over the next few episodes is I'm going to go through kind of the basic investment tenets for any new buys, how to source investable wine, and then also what regions and producers do I think you should focus on. What parts of the market are ripe for appreciation over the next 5 years or so. Again, none of this is going to be investment advice, but I'll at least kind of communicate what I'm doing, and you can use the information as an input into your strategy going forward. So hopefully some of you will enjoy this series, and I will see you next time.